do after cooking?
I don't understand your question, ma.
I mean, after cooking for my husband, Nelson, what do you do in this house?
Ma, I just distribute the food and leave.
What do you mean by distributing the food?
I just serve Oga's food and serve the gate man's food. I put the remaining ones in the fridge.
Where do you usually serve Oga's food? Where?
At the dining, ma.
Okay, that's fair. Apparently, what are you making?
Ma, I'm making vegetable soup. If you don't mind, I can teach you my style.
Are you mad? No, are you stupid? Are you trying to say that I don't know how to cook? Is that what you're trying to say?
Annabelle.
Yes?
What in God's name is wrong with you? Why do you keep slapping my workers like this?
Your workers are animals. They are animals. They don't have morals.
You are the one who's been acting like an animal.
Really?
You need to stop. Right now, stop.
They should behave. Move.
Lesson, I'm so sorry for this. I promise you this will never repeat itself again. Alright?
Okay, sir.
So that's it. That's it. You're shouting at me because of that thing.
Urong mama arok Facebook. Urong mama arok Facebook. Iya way. Hey, make a chat them. Hey. Madam, nothing. Madam, good morning.
Where is Nelson?
In come this morning.
Can you talk like a human being? So, Nelson left this house without letting me know? Really? To where?
Madam, no vex. That question now for me.
Are you mad? Monkey.
You just a slap person anyhow. Don't worry, eh? As long as I am concerned, one day you slap your destiny. If you don't slap your destiny, so what would you have on the play me? You think I'm a kind of person what if you do anyhow? Your days are numbered.
I do the one mama. What in they give you joy? I'm masquerade. Okay, till you know. Go be the man.
What happened just now?
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Wait, you touched my ash.
Sorry, Anyway.
I don't understand. Did you just touch my ash?
So
Yes, this is mad. Is that picking?
They talk about 200,000. What are the reason that 50 million? The time money. What's happening?
And these guys are beating my sister.
I don't understand. Who they beat my quick?
Oh, yeah.
Now go punish you now.
See my clown now. Anywhere I catch you, I don't be oh. Anywhere I catch you to say, I go beat you. Aye. The man you talk.
No. Stop it. Stop. Let me stay alive. What did you just play now?
I just walk out my own. Now to bed touch my hand.
No. Yes, we never touch. Let's make all the touch. Let's show me a plan to arrange. So maybe the governor when they govern this entire community. God, you're gonna buy my cat. You don't buy my cat. By now, but don't let your head.
She's arrogant. She's a full package of trouble. I still don't understand why she's betrothed to me. I mean, she acts like the world belongs to her.
Nelson, she's a woman for Christ's sake. Not that you people have spent a lot of time together. Give her time, she will adjust.
You give time to a woman who's calm and calculated. Not a woman who flares up at every given second. She will slap or beat up anybody anytime she wants. I'm sick and tired of all this stuff. I'm tired.
Princess Annabelle should be a good girl. I know her father and mother when we were young. No. Annabelle is a good girl. Maybe something is bothering her or she may be acting out of her reason.
Give me one reason why a woman will not trust a man when a man has not shown her any sign of infidelity. Alright, now, the other day she came back from the States unannounced. Bashed into my house unannounced. She searched every nook and cranny in my house, searching for what I do not know.
It is serious. So she did all this.
That didn't just end there. She slapped my gate man and also slapped my chef.
That's her reason.
She said the gate man wasted time in opening the gate. And then she slapped the chef because she tried to correct her, show her better ways of making a particular meal. Why would she do that? Why would she be that angry all the time?
That's serious.
Very serious, Dad.
No problem.
Very serious.
We'll look into it.
See, this thing, guy, I don't like what you guys did. Did I authorize it? Why did you put hand in what does not concern you? Why did you interfere in our fight?
Zube, what are you even saying? That girl was already feeding you with sand.
Feeding who with sand? Don't you see what's happening? I was trying to come from behind, flip her around, push her on the floor. Then you just come from nowhere.
And I told you,
flip her how? How were you trying to flip her? Yeah. Show us how were you trying to flip her? Guys. Person where they give you sand chop. Guys, let me tell you something. It's my fight. It's not your fight. You dey hear talk. Stop interfering in what does not concern you. I've told you guys before. You will not make this girl now. She will hate me.
Imagine. You are the typical example of love is blind.
No wahala.
Why not confess that you are in love with that girl?
Leave am. Confess. I love her. I'm in love with her. And wait, let me warn you guys. I don't want anybody to interfere with our matters. Leave us alone. If you see us fighting, pass your own, go. See how you go chop sand tire. Get her from there, Daddy. Why we no go chook mouth? Our own brother is falling in love with blind. You know I won't try to. I won't hold her from back. Push her like this. You chook mouth. Let me save your life. I don't like it. Don't save my life.
Father must hear something.
Quiet. Let me start the word time.
What is going on here, Ochendo? What is happening?
As you don't sabi do it, man. You don't get respect. You see your other brother, they do work. You don't feel great. You dey come here check you.
What was?
Okay. If you want to know what's like that. Okay, as you don't get respect, make I tell you. This family where you dey see like this don't commit atrocity. And like this, you want barricade their gate. Nobody is going in. Nobody is coming out. You dey hear me so? Until they go do the needful, they go kick out. I can't go kill you.
Meaning what? Do you realize this is Onowu's compound? My father, the prime minister of this community.
In this village, oh.
Eh? What did you just say? You say your father is the prime minister. Prime minister, my gosh. Listen, let me tell you. You are the one that is instructing your brother to commit atrocity in this community.
They touch people now, show.
They touch Ike. Listen.
My sister.
Stop now. What's the problem?
My sister was now went to the farm and your brother tapped her buttons, and he even sent his friends to beat her up, Gabi. Come and enter now.
You know that?
We are sealing this compound, sealed by Omu.
That's not possible. My father is inside. My mother too. Mama!
If you like, go and call the president of this community. You will know how fast
He sent his friends.
No, make it go.
Let's see you later.
My daughter, the princess, said that she will return by weekend. And with that, I want us to collectively, come with an idea on how to host her. Are we going to host her in a big way, throwing parties for her arrival, or what do we do?
Igwe, big party, the Wamma. But I didn't see your daughter as someone who loves parties. I see her as someone who loves privacy.
Oh, that's correct. But Keka is going to buy one. What do we do?
For me, since your daughter does not love big party, there's no need for us to throw another one for her. Rather, we welcome her back to the palace quietly. Moreover, I am of the opinion that we employ a maiden for her.
Good idea. But we'll do that when she returns and not before she returns. Hello. Take your call. Our meeting is at official now.
Hello? Why are you calling me? I told you I'm in a meeting. What? What nonsense is that? Okay, I've heard you. All right.
With the tone of your call, I know that all is not well. What is the problem?
Igwe, Adure, and Ochendo, and those rascals sealed my house with palm fronds.
Hey, I knew it, Igwe. Igwe, I knew it. Whenever there is problem in this kingdom, Adure name must be mentioned.
What's going on here?
I am here with you people. How can I know what is going on there? What do you mean? How can you know what is going on here? Yes, how can I? Tell me. I'm a tiger can. But you know, Igwe, don't mind this man. He's a deceiver. Igwe, my useless niece. Oh, your useless niece. Good. Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. My useless niece led his nonsense son to Onowu's house. And you are there saying that you don't know.
Ichie, please, I will not want you to call anybody useless. I have not condemned any of these children. Yeah, so I don't think you have the right to condemn them.
Excuse me, that's enough. Guard! And take another guard with you to Onowu's house. Bundle Adure with her guard. All of you should bundle them to this house. Immediately. Move now. Bundle her to this place. Imagine Adure.
Hold on now. Let's see. I'm very tired.
Just know that I got my eyes on you. He won't always be here to protect you. Know that, okay?
Blessing. See, I won't give you fatherly advice. Oh. No, don't look at me like this. I am an old man, just that I am cheated by nature.
Say what you want to say.
See, waiting I want advice you be say. You see that New York offer what you been telling me about? I will make you accept them. Yes.
Really?
Accept it. If not, you go just dey this house die one day. You see for that kitchen where you dey. One day you go just fry tomatoes before you don't know when you go jump inside tomatoes. So.
It's okay. But my problem is, why is Oga not seeing that this woman is full of trouble? She's evil-minded. What is Oga still doing with her?
Yes, now Oga no go fit separate from her now. Yes, this woman is betrothed to Oga. So traditionally, they will stay together till they die. Yes, even if this woman carry machete now kill Oga, Oga go just there like that. He no go fit do anything.
You're being funny now.
I'm not funny, but my concern is about you. Blessing. Sure, you know you are not betrothed to this man, our Oga.
I know.
So it's better you find your way now that you are still alive.
I will think about it. Thank you.
Okay. Think about it. Think about the now me use have you called my name for this house. I make I like you. What are they called in China?
So remove this thing, no.
I don't even know. I don't even know what's happening. When my mother is not coming. Mama!
Papa!
What you do now? You have to stop this thing now.
If not because of tradition, I will even cut your mouth and tie your leg to and join.
What is happening here?
Okay, they go. We don't invite you.
What is happening?
They pass now. They send you of an errand. They come here. They do anything.
By the power bestowed on me by the ego of this community, I have the authority to remove this.
Yes.
I will send you. You don't talk say that I will send you.
Yes.
We beat you.
No lie. You don't see the two of you and you two at the palace.
Oh, but this guy. No, Peter.
Immediately. Yes. I can go inside. Shame on you.
Hey, forget to see. Happy.
Princess.
Mommy.
How are you?
I'm fine. Mommy. You need to say it. I can see that.
You can say that again. They're not looking bad as well.
Thank you. Well, I bought this for you, but they're still on transit.
Wow.
Hair, shoes, bags.
Really? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So whenever they are ready,
trust me.
Available.
Trust me. Daddy. Good day, Daddy. I'm fine, Daddy. And you? I can see that. Good to see you all. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Sit down.
Thank you.
Hi.
Now say.
You?
So you're here? So you left the house without telling me? If not that I came to see Mom and Dad, I didn't even know you're here.
I was actually on my way home. Meet me outside if you're leaving too.
Mom and Dad.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'll come back to you. Alright, see you.
Greetings, Igwe. And greetings, my elders. I only stopped her to have a conversation with her. But she moved quickly and my hand mistakenly touched her back. She thought I did it intentionally.
Hey, Igwe, it's a lie. He did it intentionally.
Nkemjika,
Igwe.
you and your sister have said the part of the story and we all listen to you. I don't want you to interfere when someone is giving a narration about what happened. Uzube, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. May you live long. So she confronted me and we started fighting. Then my friends, Somto and Dabere, came from behind and tried to separate us. Yes. I was even upset because I was trying to give up.
Igwe, it's a lie. My sister lifted him up and brought him down to the ground. She was already beating him. I even put his hand in his mouth before his friends came to fight my sister.
Nkemjika, have I not warned you not to truncate the process of this meeting before now?
Sorry, Igwe.
Don't try this again. By the way, Uzube, what she said, is it true?
Yes, it's true. Adore took me by surprise and I didn't even send them. I was so upset with them. I was trying to turn her back lift and give her before they came.
Yeah, simple question. Is it true or false? In red and
Yes, Igwe, it's true.
That was what you Ochen, why did you sail on Noah's house with a partner?
Is you know my love and leader here so we should do it.
I do it.
Your Highness.
What's the secret behind that?
Your Highness, now our culture. For this community, anybody when commit must collect.
Any masquerade group has the right to seal up anybody when commit offense compound. Now me be the leader of the masquerade. This guy go kill goat too. You need to appease the gods. Now me be the victim. You need to appease them. Otherwise that compound will not open ammo. It don't sup for ammo. It don't be for you. Sure. Your Highness.
Your masquerade is not a registered one.
Oh, therefore you cannot put laws into your hands. Your masquerade is hereby dissolved.
Before you will assemble your masquerade again to perform in this kingdom, you must pay the sum of 300,000 naira for registration. Again, keep an arm's length away from Uzube, and the same thing you do to her, Uzube. Stay away from Adure. Yes. If I hear that something of this magnitude happen again in this kingdom, I will take it personally.
What I don't understand is why Princess will come here without informing anybody as she was coming.
You can see what my son is passing through. And for your information, he wants to end everything.
Well, I think it's rather too late to end it. All she needs is a proper orientation on how to follow her man. That's all.
As her age, I don't know why she is bitter. Because I sense bitterness in her.
I would suggest rather I will invite her over to the house. I will sit her down, talk to her. You understand? Then I will know what her problem is.
Well, if you can do that, I will be happy. Because I won't allow my son to be unhappy in marriage. That can destroy her.
You're right. You're right. Whatever it is, I believe they can sort it out. Princess used to be a very nice, sweet girl. I believe after talking with her, she will still come back to that same person we know before. Don't you think so? Don't worry. I will do my job as a mother.
oh no, I bet that Adure will beat your son. Even if she's waking up from sleep, he will still beat him.
Zube muscularity does seem no good. Adure is far more stronger than him.
yeah, you know, come on, that's Zube who's eat there.
You see, my son is better than your own son, Okwon.
How?
Are you asking me how? You don't know? The way Adure controls your son everywhere in this village, you don't know about it. Go and steal, go and kill, go and do this. Does she do that to my son? The answer is no.
Igwe, let me tell you the truth. I don't like the way you're pampering that girl. The way you treat that girl. You have pampered her, Igwe. Very soon, you will give her wings to fly above the heavens.
Okay, man. What is your problem with your niece? That you won't allow that girl to have peace for once?
And one day,
she didn't fight you. She didn't insult you. She didn't wrong you in anywhere. But you always attacking her.
The problem is for her, I want to remember man. Igwe, I'm suspecting this man. It's like this man want to come from behind and begin to chop at Ugu.
That's what you are looking for. Is that not what you are looking for? That always, even that's what he's looking for. That I'm always pressing to attack the Do you think we don't know?
How many long ago? 300,000 naira. How want to raise that kind of money? Yeah?
Say, the fact here is that the Igwe does not want us to continue the masquerade business. So, he doesn't want to open up to us.
See, me and Afi say these people, they know what they do. Check them now. 300k na small money. Them no say we no go fee pay. Now why they tell us more than that amount? You know say Ono and Igwe, they together. Igwe, they do this thing because of Ono. The one user they favor am. Check them now. See am.
Well, I want to understand something. When I won't give up, how much be the registration? Oh, we no fee pay.
I don't understand. We go fee pay? Wait, we go fee pay 300,000 naira.
How many are we? We be 4. 75,000 naira each person. If we are focused, we go pay this money. Nothing there.
You say focus. Focus. Take a look at me. I don't have anything doing. I'm jobless. Just ask me, where will I have that money to raise? Eh?
Since this year, I never even touched 5,000 naira.
Wait. I want to understand something. You don't have anything doing. But you get money to dey buy weed and drink every day. See, we have to start saving money. So we can meet up with the masquerade registration. Henceforth, no more smoking and drinking again. Everybody save your money. We're not going to miss this masquerade registration, no. I don't talk my own.
No be person will get job, they save money. Since this year, I never touched 5,000 naira, call on my own. Even say, my papa told they rugged my papa pocket sometimes, say they pay well. They say, I don't understand though.
We don't hear you, but make I not lie. It's not good easy to save money. But as it be so, we not get choice.
We get choice, and the choice is saving. Everybody start saving now. If I'm not going to smoke, I'm not going to drink again. Make we start to save.
300k. Where are we going to get it from?
Those rascals feel go back to stealing. And now then we go call cash them and we go burn them. That's true.
Or maybe their queen mother will start prostitution and raise the money and give it to them.
You just stop all these things you are saying. Just stop all these things. I'm not happy with the way this situation just played out right now. Seriously. I'm not happy with it. Even my dad is upset with me. See the way the young girl is being punished because of me. I don't like it.
The way you talk at times, I don't really understand you. Don't you know if that girl was in that same position, she would do the same thing?
I wonder.
You always put her, that is my problem with you. I was carrying love with that one.
Everywhere. Everybody for the village don't know so that girl they beat you. You dey support her. This guy they misbehave, you dey fuck up.
Today something.
Which kind thing be that one?
So you feel the way she was handled now was right. You feel it was the right thing.
Yes.
People will see me as a coward now. That's even my own anger here now.
Boy.
Guy, I love Ego Lagish. Ego Lish. I don't even know why I met you guys. You guys I beg, Mona, just get out. I beg.
Why are you going?
I beg, leave me, may go. Very anyhow person.
Lover boy.
They mumu for love.
Lover boy.
Us why?
Leave me. I'm trying to pack out for that love. You are falling in love.
Leave him.
What is wrong with you, Adure? Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you scaring possible men away from you? Huh?
Mama, Nzube can never be my suitor. God forbid.
Who is talking about Nzube? Do you know where your story have gotten in this village? The female masquerade that fights men. Eh? Don't you know that this your character will stop responsible men from approaching you?
Upe. Mama, what will be, will be. Who's even interested in marriage? Me, I don't have time for marriage, yo. See, as you see me like this, anybody will look for my trouble for this village, I go give her to them, woto.
No problem.
Mama, no grief for anybody, yo.
Shut up your mouth! Adure, please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Stop spoiling my last hope. Stop taking her around the village. Stop it, please, I beg you.
Mama.
Will you shut up and go inside?
Mama.
Get inside!
Mama, is there food in this house?
If there's no food in this house, no grief for the kitchen, oh.
Yes, so.
Sure. Then wine.
Hey! Adure, why are you doing this? Where have I wronged you? Huh? Get them simejogi.
You are beautiful, you are intelligent, you are elegant, you are classy. You have this all, but your character is zero, mama. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint them. You are present. You are the commander. Mellow your heart. Put your big princess. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint them. You are present. Not a commander. No, do pass yourself. I'm a princess, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Blessing.
Excuse me, sir. There's something I want to discuss with you.
And what exactly do you want to discuss with my husband?
With all due respect, madam, I'm not talking to you.
Annabelle, stop.
What did
All
you
right?
just say?
Annabelle. She wants to talk to me, so go inside.
Sir, there won't be any need for that. I just want to let you know that I'm quitting this job.
Oh, better.
Why?
I got a better offer. And I wouldn't want to be cooking in this house with the princess of the world. So, I'm done.
Blessing, we can sort this out. All right? Let's talk about it.
No need, sir. There's nothing to sort out. I would rather live in peace than live in pieces. Nice doing business with you, sir. Bye.
Nice decision.
Control your temperament.
Hey, stupid. Open that
You
gate.
don't know what tomorrow may be.
Open the gate, monkey.
Don't neglect people.
Get out.
Don't underrate them. You wanna mad your
Idiot.
Remember, pride goes before them fall. Many are looking up to you.
Nelson, don't be a problem.
You are present.
Okay. You can order. Now, you won't order food for Oga. You go begin the order security. Because I will keep with this job. Go order security. You know order security. You go with the other one.
Not a commander. No, do pass yourself.
Papa, everybody mocks at me because of you. And you are not ashamed of it at all. If I had a Maggie.
Papa, it's not my fault. I always tell you, it's not my fault. Adore always attack me from behind. I will just be walking on my own. She will just come from behind, hit me, take me on her way.
Unawares. Have you ever allowed me taking you unawares before?
Will you shut up your mouth, Chidera? What do you know?
Don't mind.
See, listen, all I'm telling you here is step up as a man. Be a man for once. Do not allow that girl to be beating you up and down. Huh?
Papa, what do you want me to do? Are you advising me now to beat a lady?
No, I am not advising you to beat her, but that she should not beat you again. Huh?
Well, that's the same thing now. If she doesn't beat me, then I will beat her.
Beat her. Oh, beat her. If that was what would restore your dignity as a man.
I cannot beat a lady. I cannot lay my hands on any woman. How many times have Papa beat you? I've been here in this house. How many times?
Have I ever beaten your father?
You can. No. But see, the Igwe has made it easier for you. That you should stay away from her completely. Now, if you cannot fight her, stay away from her. Because any more disgrace in this community, again from that girl, I will be the one. The one I will do to you, you will not like it.
No problem.
You will not like it.
I will stay on my own. I cannot beat a lady. I cannot beat a woman. Not
hey!
I cannot
beat a lady. You allow a lady to beat her quaggy hands down.
You know what? Somebody that take me unaware. I will be walking now. She will just
unaware. You said take her unaware. Take her unaware.
Hey, is it that they did not hear that the princess is coming back today or what?
Even if she had, Vigo have already suspended her masquerade. So what is she going to the palace to do again? Look at that.
And the only good clothes she has is for her masquerade, nothing more.
Let's go, please.
Sister, aren't you the one those ladies are talking about?
Leave those people, they are worthless to me. Right now, I'm only in my mind.
Forget it. Baby, please stop the car. I want to drive.
You want to do it?
I want to drive.
Why?
Please, I just want to be the one. I want to drive. I want to be the one to drive to my father's house. Please.
Alright. So you sure you're used to the terrain? Huh?
I will beat you. What are you trying to say?
Don't worry, let's go there.
You have to slow down.
This is how I want to drive to my father's palace.
Which simply means you want to kill everybody before you get to your father's house.
Can you please allow me? Get the road! Leave the road!
Done.
Is it not your fault?
Slow down.
It's your fault! Please allow me to drive. What is wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? If I didn't stop, I would have killed someone and they would blame me. Next time, if you bring your dirty body to my village path, I will kill you myself. Idiot! Get lost! Nelson! Get out! Idiots! Dirty things! I said get out!
You are elegant.
Get out!
You are classy. You have this all, but your character is your mama. Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint. They will present you. You are the commander. Mellow your heart.
worry, eh? You'll be fine.
Is that not Adure and Ikemchika? What happened to them?
They actually came for treatment. Someone mistakenly knocked down Ikemchika.
Yay! Who is that person that doesn't know Adure and her sister in this village? There's fire in the mountain.
Please, I am not in for your cheap gossip this afternoon. What do you want?
I need some drugs. My mom is not feeling fine. She's having headache. I don't know.
I thought you two left early to welcome the princess. What happened? Did she come back again?
She's back. But I will advise you girls not to go to that palace.
Why? If I may ask, why?
On our way to the palace, the princess slapped Ukamaka for no reason. And she almost fought with me. I'm telling you.
Slap? I don't understand. Please explain to me.
Explain more.
Hey.
What other explanation are you looking for? If you're doubting us, go to the palace. Then you know what happened.
This is serious. For now, she's very, very angry. So, just don't worry. Later, I'll give you the full gist. Trust me. Eh?
Let's go.
I beg you. Go where? Do you think the slap is a lie?
I know that they're not lying. But it's none of our business.
Really?
Yes.
It's none of our business. If the princess could slap the daughter of an elder, a respectable one at that, and even intimidated the daughter of Ono, who are we? Tell me, who are we? Please, I'm going.
She has a point. But I don't understand. Slap. Ha.
Hey! From one trouble to another every day.
Adure, what kind of a child are you? Now you want to kill my daughter for me?
Mama Biko, this one is not her fault though. It's not her fault.
It's not her fault oh. It's not her fault. What are you talking? Eh? Who injured? Why didn't she injure? Huh?
Mama, why are you sounding as if helping you cut firewood is now a crime? A car almost killed us and we don't know who the person is.
How will you know? How would you know who he is or she is when you make enemies everywhere you go? As for firewood, Biko, stop cutting firewood for me. I will pay people they will cut for me. Biko.
Adure, Memo, Tosa, Adure, baby, mo. Yeto pase maka, no ga de mama. Adure, baby, mo. Ta, yeto pase me se, no ga de mama. Ewan yeto pase maka, no ga sobu. You know this your part. Asa Dogu. What's up? Of course, we heard what happened. Huh? Do you recognize the car?
Yes, I saw the car. One big black car.
We'll go find her. We'll go find the car. Sharp. Yes, we'll go find the car and the person will definitely pay for damages. Trust me on this one. You know what I can do. Eh? What's up, you like someone manners? Yeah. Let's go.
Hey! Look at them! Fools! It's a pair. I couldn't do it.
Adule one mama, what in they give you joy? Na masquerade, Adule, okay, till you know. Go be the man, kill Adule, Fadule, She know they see you face. Mancha wanya de no komo. Aburo magaju, obojo banalo mo. Aburo maganyo. Adulele. Oboda fugo wanyi mamo. If you like, call a memo. If you like, call a madam. No matter who you be, respect your age. I do they no care for anybody. She know they see your face. I do the one you are never see. Never see. If I tell you come I do the one you are never see. If I tell you come if you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Asumi make a tapa do you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Ebu mo go jeje, mama chikolo nkolo. Ebu gene go jeje, mama chikolo.
Hey Papa, I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't even know what to do.
Sorry. I should be like fermented cassava. I want to know what to do. After you go to say why what you they do with Adure? Why you they follow? See, man, I tell you, Adure, Adure na man in woman form. If they say Adure, this kind of thing happen to. Baba Adure go Adura. Who be the princess? Mugu. Common princess, they beat you. Are you not a fool?
Oh, Chendo, what do you expect her to do? Fight the princess? Is your dogma? Is a gubana?
Baba, you should they beat your first son for night, though. You know what's in my bag? They beat me for night. And they leave you because, money never did for burial. I say, what you go? Hey, you, princess, not be your fellow woman. You know if you beat princess, you go just stand like mug like this. Princess go they slap you left and right. If not me, now you go just raise shoulder. You go to rest shoulder. I don't want to leave you. Now based on say Papa they support you. I never get money for burial, but just knock two up in a joint.
The very day you will punish your sister, that day you will know that I was just allowing you to fool yourself, and when you get to your brim, you will correct yourself. Don't worry.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Like this. You don't sell all the family land. Take I go to play draft. You don't help me. You don't do anything for me for this life. They tell me, say, see, but I tell you, see, I just wait you. Calm down. Now my baby, now do they go arrange you. Any day when you do anything for my side, I don't go talk. I will just go arrange Adure. Adure go. You know Anna.
Brother, wait. It's not because I left Princess Annabelle. Any day Adure come close to me, I will remove all her teeth. Make she try me. She should try me. I will just remove all her teeth.
You don't see where they cook. You don't see where they cook ogbono soup.
Yeah.
They go they cook ogbono soup. Beef go relax. Cow tail go relax. Azu mangala go relax. Papa go dey raise hand. Mama go dey raise hand.
And you be that moment.
I don't go. You know what I mean? I don't go pieces you.
Make she come.
Make she come.
I go come all her teeth.
Try me. Ochaka omaka. Dala.
I'm very sorry. As an atom when I regret about having your access.
See that way till they come back. You don't go play draft finish.
I know.
Don't advise your father.
Thank you. I will handle them. I know. You take it, Jan. We go.
Listen, I haven't spoken with your parents for a long time. I hope you are fine.
Oh yes, Your Majesty, they are fine. They're sent their regards.
Oh, that's fantastic. Now that my daughter is back to the country, shouldn't you be planning for the wedding?
Yes, I should, but I have to make plans for my parents first. Meanwhile, Your Majesty, while I was coming into the palace, I didn't see any palace maid.
The palace have no maid as it stands now, but not to worry. I have already sent message across to the town crier to, make plans for new recruitment now that my daughter is back to the country.
So who cooks your food, Your Majesty?
Oh, most of my guys are fantastic chefs. They are specifically employed for that purpose.
Oh. So when are they going to the kitchen? Because I'm very, very hungry.
In the kitchen. No need to bother.
Oh, okay. That's good.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile, Your Majesty, there's something I would like to tell you.
You always come with annoyance. You're welcome.
My Igwe, I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay. You're welcome. No,
Thank you, my Igwe.
Yeah.
Welcome, Ichi.
Thank you very much. Please sit down.
Thank you, my Igwe. Igwe, as a matter of fact, I am not here to waste your time. I am only here to relay the message my daughter told me last night. She told me that your daughter slapped her on the way back to the kingdom.
How is that even possible?
Your Majesty, it is true. That's exactly what I wanted to tell you before you stepped in.
But this time, I do not trust you. It can be too powerful. I don't want to kill those my late brother's children. No. But their mother is pushing me to do that. No. I cannot do that. I believe there are many other ways to kill a rat. No, this charm, the other time, they are very powerful. You know, man, I say, no, there's another way to kill a rat. I will do it the other way around.
How could you do that to people you don't know anything about?
Father, I know, but...
Oh, so you know them, and that is why you have the guts to take her. Have you seen what I keep telling you about? You have done so much dimensional characterization, and that is not how you were raised. Listen to me. You will go to Ichie Okwono's house and apologize. What? That is exactly what you are going to do.
My Igwe, there's no need for that. I don't like a situation whereby one is forced to apologize. Rather, let her do it at her own time when she feels right. However, warn her not to do that again to my daughter.
It will never happen again, Ichie.
Thank you.
Your presence nauseates me. Leave now.
Maidens of our land! Maidens of our land! Please listen and listen very good. Igwe said there is vacancy in the palace for palace maidens. Recruitment will happen tomorrow. The pay is very good. Please apply in person. Maidens of our land. Maidens of our land. Please listen and listen very good. Maidens of our land.
Hey, this is an opportunity for me. I will go and apply for this job. I have always known that you don't like your life. Oh yes, please, before you go, dash me some of your clothes. Sign your death warrant. In fact, write your will because I want to inherit some of your clothes because I know you have nothing aside from clothes. Inheritance? And how do you mean? I don't understand.
Well, I am sure you are not aware that Princess Annabelle slapped Okrono's daughter yesterday. Yes, on her arrival. As if that was not enough, she had the guts to beat the hell out of the Onobu's daughter. Are you serious? Do I look like a joke?
She fought it on Ukamaka. Hey. It's a lie. See, she only slapped Ukamaka.
Even if it's just Ukamaka that she slapped, why would she do that? Does it make any sense to you? It is also important to know the reason why she slapped them.
They did nothing. Believe me. Only family.
They did nothing. You know I know you now. You are my friend. I know you very well. You can add stew to whatever thing you say.
That is not true, Sha. She's only acting arrogantly. Doing as if she can fight the entire villagers.
Yeah, I would have also applied for that job, but you guys are the one discouraging me. I don't want anybody like this now. I don't want anybody that will start molesting me.
I don't want
I beg you, molest me. Come on, leave me.
Go and apply now. And I will slap you like.
I won't collect that job.
You don't too talk this to you. Which job you want collect?
The palace job.
Eh? Wait, Aduri. I hear you, Wesu. You mean say you won't collect the palace maiden? Ha! Mena, you won't be Agunwani, Iron Lady among kings. You won't come go be palace maiden? No. You know if you work now. Why now? If you work.
Almost here. Right now, we go drop steals and composure. Until like Iron Lady, I need money. We need to raise money. We could register the masquerade team. If I don't work for the palace, how go take get money?
But it don't make sense. Say you can't go to do palace maid because say you want raise money. It don't make sense now. How about?
You get another job for me. I be job there this village. Eh?
Look. You know say you now my chima. I no go see where fire they burn. Say make you carry hand pull because last I me go see some fire. You hear me so? Don't be say I go stop you, make you no take the job. But you go fit endure this princess anger. I get to get anger issue. You go fit endure.
If you get anger na for her pocket too, I dey focus na money they carry me go the palace. You dey feel me? Anything when anybody do me for that palace, I go bear them because I need money. We need to raise money. Time don't they go?
Aduri, you and I know. You and a para. You para like Vespa. I'm not sure say you go feed Bieramo.
No, she dey para. But I believe say nothing go fit happen to my babe for palace. Anything will happen to them. Baba, we go burn down the palace now. Sure. Don't they worry you. We go burn down the palace now.
Sharp.
No, I'm not. No, well, like if you don't reason and finish, say man, that's what I want to do. No problem. I don't sign on.
Okay, man, a good one.
I don't sign on. Enjoy.
I'm not in support of it.
Mama, why? Are you not the one that said I should leave your firewood alone? What else do you want me to be doing?
My daughter, you can do any other job, but you will not work in the palace. Ha.
But Mama, why now? Are you not being wicked?
No, my daughter. I am not being wicked. I am trying to protect myself from being called a bad mother by the elders.
How, Mama?
How? Don't you know your sister again? She must surely disgrace me at the palace. So she will not do that work with my consent. Mbano.
That means you're saying I can do it without your consent. Thank you, Mama.
She will not do it. You will not do it.
Mama.
Will you shut up?
This year is not good for anybody. You know, because of my bone, I would have gone to the palace.
Oh,
for
thank
that job.
God.
No.
Thank the gods for your injury. You people will not kill me. Oh. You will not kill me in this house.
Chidera, you have to accept the offer to work in the palace until you find something else to do, you know?
God forbid.
Huh?
Papa, I will never work for that arrogant princess. Never.
How dare you call Princess Annabelle arrogant?
Papa, it's like you haven't heard the latest. Mama, you haven't told him.
This is everywhere now.
What now? I'm all ears. Okay, tell me.
Update Papa, Mama.
Princess Annabelle on her way to the palace almost hit Ukamaka and Chidera. And instead of coming down to apologize to them, she came down, slapped Ukamaka and fought Chidera.
Wait, when did this one happen?
Papa, it happened yesterday. On her way coming into the community. The only offense we committed was greeting her. That was why we did not come back to the palace.
How come I did not hear this? As you know, well, I'm not running here. Huh?
Now you've heard it, so my doctor will never work for her.
That princess is very rude. Yeah, very rude.
Thank you, Mama.
Adure, an ordinary pauper, a village rascal, coming to look for a job in the palace. Hey! Wonder shall never enter. Let me pick it.
Oh no,
Your Highness.
I sincerely apologize for that event of dismay. I have cautioned her. That will never happen again, I promise.
You see, I am not mad about what happened, honestly. You see, I'm only shocked that I get to know about it just last night.
Oh, it's tough. It's tough.
It will.
Yes.
Somebody is here for the job.
Does the person have a name?
Adure, the masquerade killer.
Please tell her that there is no vacancy left for the job.
Igwe, do you have anybody else for the job?
Is there anyone else outside there waiting for the job?
Just her.
Just her alone.
Igwe, I suggest she should wait until other maidens comes.
I thank you. Tell her to wait. Look at it, watch it.
I do it. Oh my God.
This will live forever.
Good morning, Your Highness. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Okechukwu.
Have those clothes. Wash and iron them immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
Okechukwu, what's your duty in this palace?
Most importantly, sir, protecting my king and everyone in the palace.
Good. Please kindly forget those clothes and go back to your duty post now.
I don't understand. Why are you looking at me? Move. Pack the clothes. Wash and iron them immediately. Move.
Okechukwu, I am her husband. I have high authorities here. Okay, so I command you, forget those clothes and go back to your duty post now.
Teiko, are you stupid? Come here, you! Look at this rat! Nelson, what is the meaning of this? Like, what's the meaning of this?
Listen, we have washing machines in this palace. Why don't you go downstairs and use one of them to wash your clothes? Stop all this, please.
I should go downstairs and wash my clothes. when we have guards. Guards we pay to do chores.
All those guards were paid specifically to protect the king and the royal house, and not to wash your clothes.
Wait, I want to understand. But Nelson, you want me, Princess Annabelle? Like, you want me to wash my own clothes?
Her Royal Majesty, Princess Annabelle, if you feel too big to wash your clothes, then you have to wait until your father has maidens that will do that for you. I will not ask a man who has been paid to guard the palace to wash my clothes. I won't have you do that.
Jeez! Honestly! You're so irritating! You're beginning to irritate me!
Oh, I want to do this to you. No? I don't understand. I don't know what it. Since when they tell us about this money, all of us are just fold arms. We just fold arms like nothing they saw. Wait, we dey relax like this, make Adure go dey find this money. I don't understand. We will be men, we just fold our arms and Adure go dey find money.
You know what? Now I realize say na nyash na him dey use dey think. You know they use your brain or your sense dey think. You just big for nothing. So you dey expect me make I go find money. Listen, Adure, na our leader. You understand me? So make she find that money herself.
You dey shameless, so. My craze dey worry you. You dey shameless, so. I think say you get sense. Now she be your leader. Make she go dey find money. Make my Adure go die looking for money, and you go relax. You go come here, I go buy you beer, you go drink, buy you smoke, you go. Then say you go stop to dey come here. Make she go dey find. When they worry you.
Well, like I say, if you no understand, now I know say you be full confirmed woman rapper.
Yeah, I be woman rapper.
In the sense say you dey try to want support Adure. Say Adure no fit bring money. If Adure no fit bring money, you as a man, you no fit bring money. If you no fit bring money, that means you are a woman rapper. Listen, may I tell you, on I be, make Adure bring that money or nothing solve me. But anyhow when it be, me, I no get job for this time. So I don't know how I want to get money. You understand me? Anyhow when I want that, make it do it. But wetin I go tell you is say how we want to help ourselves for this community. How we want to help ourselves. Wetin we go do to make life better for ourselves.
Now make I call you, guy. I don't too reason now. I don't too reason now. Baba. As I think about it, and don't be like say like we still hit the street again. Or we just hit the street before we go run one or two. Money go surplus. We go run the matter, then still there with the little change we go get.
You see, now wetin make I say you just big like bolo bolo. You just big for nothing. You no get sense. You dey use nyash dey think. You no get sense. Make I go back to street. Listen. God forbid, make me, I go back to street. The one when God don't help me, save me, I come out alive. You say me, I go back to street again. Oh man, me,
you're not even supposed to come out alive. Because when men dey for main road with AK-47, they snatch cars. They do better robbery. You dey for village, they carry goat, carry fowl, they carry clothes where all these widows hang for barbed wire. Now what if they want you stone kill you?
It better for me. Because they say a living dog is better than a dead lion.
But
I no want go street. Make I no go buy for nothing.
So what you want to do?
More dey this village. Do another better thing and go give us a good living. You understand?
What be that a better thing? You don't get bad name. Me, I don't get bad name.
On I be, we go. I go plan well. So that go fit arrive well.
He did not disrespect my princess. Rather, he respected your husband who is the Lord over you. So don't put it on him, okay? Nevertheless, we are recruiting new maids, and as it is, we have one person left outside, which the guard has gone to call in. Do not worry, okay? Oh no, Igwe, let's streamline our discussion so we know how to begin.
Igwe, let me just ease myself and press.
Okay. I said, calm down your nerves. Everything will be alright.
Okay. Fine. I'm waiting.
How can him be only Adure that come for this job? Okay, let me take care to him. Adure, let's go.
Well, that's a good resume. Don't you think that you need some local lecture?
You're honest. She's here.
I greet you, Your Highness. Greetings, my princess. May your days be long.
You're welcome, my daughter. It appears that you're the only one who has applied for the job. Are you sure you're ready for this job?
Yes, Your Highness, I did ready for this job.
Oh.
Father, that would be necessary. She can start immediately.
Oh. I would like to notify you that you have been employed into the palace to be a personal maid for the princess.
All right. In that case, come with me. You have clothes to wash.
No, never reach that way. We'll go talk about my salary first. Money, very important.
It's okay. The monthly salary for that is 50,000 naira.
Your Highness, money na 150,000 naira.
Why would you want to collect such an amount for the service you're about to render?
Is it not obvious? Now let me apply for the job. It means say work will go plenty for this house, work will go too much. So the money need to match the work. You understand?
Dad, it's okay. That won't be a problem. Alright? So come with me. Like I said, you have clothes to wash.
Yes, my princess. Thank you, Your Highness.
Adura whatsoever. You call yourself Adura whatever. Come here and ask me that stupid question again. Wash my clothes and you're asking me stupid questions. Idiot. Lazying around. I pay you so you will come here and lazy around. Nonsense. Yes? What is it, Nelson?
That's the girl you almost knocked down, the sister the other day.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm that serious. Recognize her.
Oh, well, that's not a problem. What's my business? She's now my maid and so? Did you change anything? Knocked down, and now she's in my house and as a maid? It's not a problem. Or do we have a problem? Of course. No? Well, I'm not done with you, stupid.
I'm a city boy guy. It'll be here.
Man, you do always do.
I mean, you know,
man, you.
Like I say, you know, they inform.
Now, man, you.
This is a man, you know.
Man, you, now, juju, man, you, they use the do. Juju.
Adure.
Man, you, now, juju.
Adure. 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 Ịmara ịtụkwasị m isi na ọ ga-adị m mma. Ọkwa ịtụkwasị m aka, iwere ọ ga-adị m mma. Iwere asa. Yeah? Are you? Get it! Okay. She don't get the job. She don't get the job and monthly salary na 150. I swear to God.
Oh, damn it.
Oh my God. 150,000. Baba. We did you already.
Are you serious? She don't get the job. Hey. You know what? We don't achieve. In fact, everything does you. We're supposed to celebrate.
I swear to God. And my papa drink now.
My daughter, you look very tired.
Mama,
Eh?
she's not your favorite daughter.
Before uncle.
Because of 150k.
This is the first time I will allow you to talk as you wish.
Mama,
my dear,
working in that palace is not easy. That princess is very rude, wicked and heartless. She's very annoying.
My daughter, forget about the princess. Just focus on how to raise money for your business. Endure everything.
Mama, business of what? We are using that money to register our masquerade first.
Mas what? Don't let me forget my fingers. They're going to wow. In fact, at this point, you have to shut up. Let me talk to my daughter like a mother should do.
Mama,
my dear,
it's okay. I will save money for the masquerade. I will also save money for business. 5 months is enough to save enough money.
My daughter, please. Please. Forget about this masquerade of a thing. Focus on how to raise money to start up a business. We are talking about your future. Your better tomorrow. Please.
Biko, can you come and massage me? I don't tire. Body they pay me.
We all pray your sister.
See who is massage. Look at who is massaging someone.
Biko, Pakuru Gawa.
Mama, you have it on my leg now.
Hi. How can this princess will come and be an obstacle to my daughter? 150,000 naira. It's not a small money. In fact, I will pray, I will bind and cast everything that is coming from that princess. Jehovah, you must put her down in Jesus' name.
I really confirm today that Princess Annabelle is arrogant. Honestly speaking. But I was surprised that Adure was so calm and loyal. So surprised.
If truly she charged such amount, that means she's trying to raise money for the masquerade.
Hey, Mama, that is true. Adure will give her hard-earned money to those fools.
Is it your money? How is that your problem?
Come on, make sure no there. It's your business.
Is it your money?
It's not my money, but Mama, she has to spend the money properly now.
You are very correct. She has to use that money in a very good way. If not, she will see hell in that palace.
Manana, why would you say that?
Annabelle has so much bitterness in her heart. And I believe she will maltreat Adure.
Papa, that one is not true. It's not the Adore I know. Nobody on this planet Earth can maltreat her or humiliate her. Not even Princess Annabelle.
But she has to choose one. Either choose to make money or fight it. So, Governor Ocho will.
Oh, yeah, now.
Oh,
yeah.
Mpadure.
Mama, I beg you. Governor Adore.
Ichioka no mentor, what do I owe this early morning visit?
Igwe, can you give me a seat so that we can discuss like titled men?
Sit down.
Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, I heard that you employed Adure yesterday as your palace maid. Do you think that's a good idea?
What is wrong with that?
Your Highness, you know that girl too well. Oh. That girl is full of trouble. Because if anything happens, don't call me, oh. Your Highness, you know that girl doesn't have a good reputation. By the way, why do you even employ her?
Don't tell me that this is the reason you came here this morning.
Igwe, that's why I'm here. Because if anything happens, if you call me, I will not respond. I will not talk anything. Yes.
It's obvious you don't have anything you want us to discuss.
Igwe,
quiet!
Igwe, no drink, no even cola.
No problem.
I will go. Igwe.
Guys, I'm so happy for her hero.
Hi! Why would you be happy with such a girl?
She's our rival. See, Somto, I have told you times without number. We don't have any rival. We are not in competition with anybody. You guys should just calm down.
See, honestly, once that girl registers her masquerade, you will know the real her. Uzube, you need to calm down and understand what we're saying. Just calm down. Like, yeah, from my own perspective now. Uzube, why are you doing this?
See, relax yourself. Like I told you guys before, we don't have any rival. Sometimes you need to just relax, celebrate people so good things can come to you. When you see somebody moving forward, you should be happy with that person. We are not in competition with anybody. I've said this time without number. Please, guys.
That girl is our rival. Be happy for her.
See nonsense.
Be
See
happy
nonsense
for
when
her.
you dey talk with your man. Okay, if you don't get what you go talk, shut up. Just keep quiet.
Somto, Omo Inagwa, shut up.
Yes, now. Shut up.
Somto, I will deal with you now if you say stop.
Hey, okay, go tell you shut up. You don't go do anything.
Stop this thing.
What's wrong? You imagine this guy.
This small Somto.
Stop this.
Come on, get out.
Stop this thing, guys. You are here. Stop now. Stop.
Good morning.
Good morning, my beautiful princess. My name is Ichie Akanome, uncle to the girl you employed yesterday as your special maid.
Okay. Ichie, is there any problem?
No, there's no problem today, but tomorrow there will be a problem if you do not do something fast about it.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Well, what I'm talking about is that girl, she's a troublemaker and a husband snatcher.
What?
Eba na koyoko. This place na koyoko.
Ew.
Yes! If at all the Igwe consulted me before employing her, I would have said no.
Ichie, are you sure of what you're talking about?
My princess, this is our conversation. No other person should hear it. Watch that girl. Watch her closely. Watch her steal your man from you. Don't say I did not warn you.
It's okay. Thank you so much for the information.
You are welcome, my princess. I'm going.
Many are looking up to you. Don't disappoint they were present you. You are the commander. Mellow your heart. Put to a big.
Just imagine. So Adure is in my room with Nelson. All in the name of cleaning. And her uncle said she's a husband snatcher. So actually, Adure came to my house to snatch my own husband. Really? She's playing with fire. That will happen over my dead body.
You don't mean it. So she's now working in the palace. Huh?
It's not about working in the palace. But she can't last in the palace.
You can't talk too much. This your man will put inside trouble one day. Eh? Somebody that took a job none of us could take. You're calling her names. Ha! As for me, if she can stay 2 weeks in the palace, me I will apply for the job. Oh.
2 weeks is even too much. Immediately she's done working there for just 3 days, I'm going there to apply.
Okay. You're not Adure. Hope you're not forgetting yourself. Adure is much stronger than you. She can resist what you can't.
Tell her. I don't understand. What are you insinuating? Okay. How many heads does she have? Tell me.
This is not about heads. Oh.
Okay. Tell her.
Adure is strong.
Tell her.
Very strong. Oh.
Okay.
Yes, so she's very, very strong. All we should just do is just to wish her well. Yes.
Simple.
It's fine.
Adule when you are in never see. If I told you Adule when you are never see. If I told you if you look for her trouble, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Asumi make it up Adule, you there for trouble. When she come for you, you go pay. Ebu mongo jeje, mama chikolon kolon. Ebu kene go jeje, mama chikolon kolon. Ebu mongo neti, mama chikolon kolon. Ebu mongo neti, mama chikolon kolon.
What are you still doing? You're still making breakfast? For how long? Like, I don't understand. Ordinary breakfast, you're here lazing around. Are you okay? Like, are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Listen to me. I want my breakfast ready in 10 minutes. If not, you'll see what I will do to you. So I paid you heavily to come here and lazy around. Rubbish. Get back to work! If you like, you can sleep there. Lazing around all the time.
Adure happens to be the only girl in this kingdom that accepted to serve you. So stop shouting on top of her intelligence and her service to you.
Father, are you trying to say I shouldn't correct her when she's wrong?
And what's wrong has she committed since she started working for you? Tell me, one wrong.
Well, that you haven't seen anything in her bad character doesn't mean that I haven't. That girl does anyhow.
She does nothing but work for you with all diligence because she needs the money. Alright? So stop this accusation. Stop them.
Nelson, what is it about this girl that you always defend her? No, tell me, is there any hidden agenda going on? Yes. Is there anything going behind me? Tell me.
Excuse me.
You're not excused.
I'll answer the question. There is nothing going behind anything. The problem is that you have refused to grow up. You have a lot of growing up to do. Give that girl a breathing space. She's working for you. Prove to the people of this kingdom that you are not who they think you are. This is the truth you can get from me. You can't get it anywhere. I'm your father.
My dear,
This fish, they are big. Oh.
I am surprised the way things put money in the market now. Do you know that this fish One is 1,000. 1,500.
This fish.
1,500 per one.
Hey.
Okay. Okay, Nyaruluana, what have you come to do again?
Nkemjika, you did not see your uncle.
What is the essence when you always bring bad news? Eh, uncle?
Well, Ugomma, I have come to tell you that I am not in support of your daughter working in the palace. No matter how much she's been paid, you know her. I don't want her to drag the name of this family anymore. You know your daughter too well.
I know her very much. Thank you, Ezigbo madam. Ngwa, handle. Handle!
Now what I will go.
Start going.
But don't say I did not warn you.
Start going, Mr. Warner. I say we na one, in a one.
In a thousand.
Yes, so.
You will go my brother.
I am sure he has done something bad. Because whenever he does something bad, he goes around pretending to be concerned.
And whatever he does against this family, we turn to be the best interest of this family.
Yes, sir.
Our ancestors are not asleep.
He say, Mama.
Now, ma pium 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 pium.
Your Majesty, this is the best meal I've had in a long while.
It's delicious. I never knew that Adore is a good cook.
Yes, yes.
The Highness is a big cook. Every woman on a normal suppose know how to cook.
Not every woman knows how to cook. Some believe in buying food out of exclusive restaurants and hiring intercontinental chefs to make their meals.
Me a sabi cook. In fact, I feel no sabi anything for this level. You see that cooking? I sabi am. That's not my area of specialization. And my colleague be that. I dey cook. How woman no go sabi cook? I beg any woman when no sabi cook, make they throw away the woman, they throw am. Make they put her for dustbin, make they cover the dustbin. You know why? How woman go there, no go sabi cook. See if I be man, that kind of woman near me, I'll kick am. Woman no go there, no go sabi cook. No. Any woman no sabi cook now, dumb baby now. Now waste to generation. Now generational cause they follow that kind of woman when no sabi cook. She's cursed.
What? Annabelle!
Welcome to my house.
Oh boy. Oga Nelson.
Yes.
Your house fine, oh. If I where?
You can't see that again.
But why everywhere cold like this?
Cold.
Everywhere too cold.
Must be the AC. I'll just turn it off again.
No, leave her. No offer. Make
Are you sure?
I go tell you so. That's small. Good thing good.
Of course.
Hi.
Let me show you to you.
Okay.
Yes. This way.